Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the OnePlus 9 series, which is going to launch in a few days from now. And the rumor mill has so far given up everything. So here's what you need to know. And let's see how it compares to the previous year's OnePlus flagships. Before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Now the rumors suggest that OnePlus is going to come out with 3 phones this year. And we have got some leaks in terms of the OnePlus 9R, the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 Pro being the biggest and the best out of the 3. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about the design. Now the OnePlus 8T took a very different design compared to the OnePlus 8 series, with the camera module in the upmost right of the phone. The OnePlus 9 series will also follow the same kind of a design philosophy. Now the mute switch is also going to be there, which is a good thing, and OnePlus should continue that. On the bottom, we see a similar kind of a speaker grill USB Type-C setup and the SIM card tray. The camera bump of the OnePlus 9, according to the leaks, does not look significant, which I am glad about. It is a very flat kind of a design as what we had on the OnePlus 8T. The rumors also give away that the screen will be a corner hole punch display like the earlier OnePlus series. There are going to be 4 colors: black, blue, purple and silver. Though we are not sure if the phone is going to have a textured back or a glossy back. Now the screen. OnePlus screens have in general been very good. The OnePlus 8 Pro had a 1440p screen, while the OnePlus 8T and 8 had a 1080p screen, both at 120Hz. And the OnePlus 9 is rumored to have an LTPO screen which ranges from 1Hz going up to 120Hz, smartly adapting between what the content is on the screen and thereby saving a lot of battery life. The OnePlus 9 series is also to have a higher touch sampling rate, which enables faster response of the screen, but we will only come to know after testing. Now performance is also going to take a significant leap. Last year the OnePlus series had a Snapdragon 865 and coupled with almost 12GB of RAM if you go for the highest variant. It also had 5G. This year, the phones are going to have a Snapdragon 888 processor and at least 12GB of RAM, if not more. And of course, there is going to be 5G, so we will see a significant bump in performance. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life has always been really good on OnePlus phones, and I expect it to be even better. And with respect to charging, OnePlus has been the fastest out there. Last year with the OnePlus 8T, they introduced warp charging at 65 watt, and this year I assume that it will be at 65 watt, if not better. Here they do also claim that the OnePlus 9 series charges from 0 to 100 in 43 minutes, which is sick. Now the last part of the video, let's talk about the cameras. Now this year OnePlus has partnered with a big camera company called Hasselblad, which makes excellent cameras, and we're going to see the same camera tech in these phones. The rumors also suggest that the OnePlus cameras are going to be as good as what Hasselblad offers in their DSLR ranges. With that, we also hope to see higher zoom capability with these cameras, like what we have seen on the Samsung's S21 series. Apart from that, OnePlus cameras in the previous years have been really good and they have only improved, with the best being obviously the OnePlus 8 Pro. But I believe that OnePlus cameras do not compare with Samsung and iPhone cameras at all, and I hope to see a significant leap in camera tech this year by OnePlus. With that, we are at the end of the video. I'm really excited to get the new devices and test them out, compare them with the Samsung S21 series as well as the iPhones out there. So stay tuned for that. Do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be the first one to see the video. As usual, thanks for watching.